When it comes to buying a car in your golden years, one thing is clear: comfort, safety, and ease of use are non-negotiable. Nobody wants to wrestle with a low-sitting coupe or feel every single pothole like it's a personal attack. That's why SUVs have become the go-to choice for seasoned drivers. But not all SUVs are created equal. Some offer plush seats and stress-free driving, while others, let's just say, they're best left for the grandkids. Today we're diving into 8 SUVs that seniors must buy without hesitation. Vehicles that are safe, comfortable, and easy to drive. Counting down at number 8, we have Subaru Forester, the reliable road companion. If there's one thing you can count on, it's that a Subaru will outlast your neighbor's obsession with HOA regulations. The 2025 Subaru Forester, starting at $28,000, is a solid pick for seniors because of its all-wheel drive, high safety ratings, and easy-to-use tech. The elevated seating position makes getting in and out a breeze, while Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance system ensures that the car keeps an eye on the road, literally. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking mean fewer worries about drifting too far into another lane while adjusting your sunglasses. Inside, the Forester provides a spacious and comfortable cabin, with soft touch materials and a user-friendly 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The wide door openings and low step-in height make getting in and out even easier, particularly for those with mobility concerns. Number 7. Honda CR-V. Practical, safe, and easy to drive. The Honda CR-V, starting at $29,500, is like that old friend who never lets you down. It's practical, dependable, and knows how to make your life easier. The wide door openings and higher seating position mean you don't have to perform gymnastics just to get inside. This SUV also comes with Honda sensing technology, which includes collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, and lane keeping assist. In short, it's like having a co-pilot who actually pays attention. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. The hybrid version can get over 40 mpg, meaning fewer trips to the gas station and more money for, well, whatever you actually enjoy spending money on. Inside, the CR-V offers a spacious cabin with high-quality materials, along with a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The heated front seats come standard on most trims, making winter mornings much more bearable. With its smooth ride, excellent fuel economy, and reliable safety features, the CR-V remains a top contender for seniors who value both comfort and practicality. Number 6. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, the efficient yet rugged choice. If reliability had a face, it would probably look like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Toyota has spent decades perfecting this SUV, and it shows. It's easy to drive, offers excellent fuel economy, over 40 mpg, and comes with Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 Plus suite, which includes automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and lane departure alert with steering assist. Starting at $31,725, the RAV4 Hybrid provides exceptional value for those looking for efficiency and long-term reliability. The ride is smooth, the interior is comfortable, and the controls are intuitive. The spacious cabin offers plenty of headroom and legroom, ensuring that long drives remain comfortable. The elevated seating position provides a commanding view of the road, reducing blind spots and making maneuvering easier. It also has heated and ventilated seats, because at this stage in life, we demand year-round seat comfort. The hands-free power liftgate is another thoughtful addition, allowing you to open the trunk effortlessly, especially handy when carrying groceries or luggage. The infotainment system, featuring an available 10.5-inch touchscreen, is designed with simplicity in mind, ensuring easy access to navigation, music, and hands-free calling without distraction. Number 5. Mazda CX-50. Stylish yet senior-friendly. Want a bit of style with your practicality? Enter the Mazda CX-50. This SUV proves that growing older doesn't mean giving up on good design. It looks sleek, drives smoothly, and has one of the most comfortable cabins in its class. Starting at $30,300, the CX-50 delivers premium features without breaking the bank, making it an attractive option for seniors who value both style and function. Mazda packed the CX-50 with a low step in height, making entry and exit effortless. Plus, its predictive all-wheel drive system ensures stability in various weather conditions, whether it's a sudden downpour or an unexpected icy patch. The intelligent G-Vectoring Control Plus system also subtly adjusts power distribution and braking for a smoother ride, especially on long trips. The heated and ventilated seats provide all-season comfort, and the adjustable lumbar support ensures that long drives won't turn into backaches. And if you need to haul anything, groceries, luggage, or even the occasional home improvement project, the rear cargo space offers up to 56.3 cubic feet when the seats are folded down. Practicality and style, all in one package. Number 4, Volkswagen Tiguan, spacious and smooth. If you want a roomy interior without driving a full-on tank, the Volkswagen Tiguan is your ride. The high seating position and wide opening doors make for an easy in-and-out experience, while its smooth suspension keeps the ride comfortable. Starting at $28,505, the Tiguan is a well-priced option for seniors looking for a combination of space and reliability. It features Volkswagen's IQ drive system, which includes lane centering, emergency assist, and adaptive cruise control. Basically, it's got a set of virtual training wheels for added safety. And with an optional third row, you can fit the grandkids, or just use it as extra storage for all those just-in-case grocery items. Number 3, Ford Escape, lightweight and easy to handle. If you're looking for an SUV that's easy to handle, the Ford Escape should be on your radar. Unlike larger SUVs that feel like steering a cruise ship, the Escape is lightweight and maneuverable. Starting at $29,345, the Escape provides an affordable and well-rounded option for seniors looking for a mix of practicality and efficiency. It also comes packed with Ford's Copilot 360 suite, meaning automatic braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assistance are all standard. The hybrid version is an excellent choice for those who want fewer stops at the gas pump and more money in their pockets. Number 2, Lexus NX, luxury meets practicality. For those who want luxury without the unnecessary flash, the Lexus NX is a top pick. It's got everything seniors love: heated and ventilated seats, a whisper-quiet cabin, and a smooth ride. The ergonomic interior design ensures maximum comfort, with soft touch materials and a spacious, driver-focused layout that minimizes distractions and fatigue on long trips. Starting at $4,605, the Lexus NX offers a premium experience without sacrificing practicality. The Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 adds an extra layer of security with advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and road sign recognition. The intuitive parking assist with automatic braking makes parking stress-free, especially in tight spots where visibility might be limited. Let's be honest, a Lexus badge never hurt anyone's driveway appeal. With its sleek, modern design and thoughtful details, the NX is proof that luxury and practicality can go hand in hand. Number 1, KIA Sportage, the perfect balance of safety and value. Starting at $27 to $90, this SUV offers the perfect blend of safety, comfort, and affordability. It's got wide door openings, a spacious interior, and an easy-to-use infotainment system that doesn't require an advanced degree to operate. Its standard safety features include forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Plus, the higher trims add blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree camera for an extra layer of confidence. The Sportage Hybrid offers great fuel efficiency, making it a smart choice for those who want savings at the pump without compromising on comfort and reliability. Remember, the best way to find the right SUV is to test drive it. See how it feels, check the visibility, and make sure the seat is as comfortable as your favorite recliner.